In the world of a mathematician, culture is undefined.
A simple word that means different things to different people. It's the way of life for those who have it.
And something deemed unnecessary by those who don't have it.
Culture should never be taken for granted.
It should be valued and enjoyed.
It should be embraced. Culture is more than just where one comes from. It's more than the clothes we wear, what we eat, and how we talk. At Depromat, culture is our most valuable asset. It gives us an identity. The Depromat culture is unique. We have shaped our culture to nurture our people and help them exceed their potential. We have a culture that captures our shared aspirations and expectations. And this guides how we make decisions, and most importantly, treat others.
The Depromat culture creates an inspiring environment to learn, to teach, and to work. An environment that embodies our core values.
Culture. Depromat's identity.